Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra sepi da ka singam beats aqua na molai moro hakajing dap sans nem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendai Lat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Loan So Po Shillong. One ban thiet ya ka kali Datsun Ready Go bathamai ka bas kem bat bidor.
National Vice President jangka Bharatiya Janata Party Upapet Ru ya ke Jela Meghalaya Dr. M Chuba Au ulaong ba undang hak peni selok shwa bat State President jangka BJP Meghalaya Unit shwa ban kentho alor ka jingkeno ba ka don ka jirsi bamsam Hajanja Hills Autonomous District Council bat Hagaru Hills Autonomous District Council hak jing ekran bigila pathai kubor Dr. Au ulaong ba la da don keno jingkeno bat ka jingkeno kti don kamru ban don ya kisaki kisabut kibabiang haswa ban that madan yeno hagabaidai baka jingkeno baka MDA kale bom sutnyoy ke BJP u Dr. Au la pensyai bakam shim la don satya kanu ke jingle bom sutnyoy ke BJP namar banadu kesingi bala thaw ke sarkar ke BJP kelayo yala ke bah dak ba penrung wei menteri pok sarkar but wei pat kum chairman jongka corporation.
Since it is I found today I came as a newly and I don't found anything to be that necessary to be reshuffle or not reshuffle, because citizen see this is purely the governance matter. It's a purely governance matter. That is what we cannot tell that you do reshuffle, you should step down, you should elevate. We cannot dictate like this. It should be a proper consultation, and we have to see the performance. Public's things to be take out, discuss things, justice to be delivered. So we have to examine this one properly. So whether this is to be done in the look ayakta or it is given to the public.